Hi guys, it's me again, and I'm sorry if I confuse you in any way, but I just realized something else. Um, and this is kind of a part two to my last video, because I didn't realize. So when you are copying your stuff over, you actually have to make sure that you search for the sandbox and you copy the sandbox over, because if you don't, then all of your stuff isn't going to go in there. And Ardell, you might kill me. But if you searched for your stuff and wherever it was or whatever, you probably could have just moved it over by doing this instead of actually manually putting it all back in. So please don't hate me for that. I'm just learning all of this too. But I just wanted to show you how that's done. So see here how it says sand underscore arts 1076 when it has my W number. I'm just going to search for the first part of it there though. So when you're doing this, so I'm going to go back to my live course, which is right here. And I'm going to go to more again and edit course. Import, export, copy components. Once again, I'm going to search for the offering. But this time, instead of just searching for Arts 1076, which is my self-development and wellness course, I'm going to search for sand underscore arts 1076. And my sandbox comes up. So, and that's where all of my stuff was. That's where I've been putting it. So that's what I would want to move over into that live shell. So when I copy all components, all of that would move over. So if your stuff is in a sandbox, that's what you would have to do. You have to put it in that live shell so that the students are enrolled in it. There is a lady who is going to be coming to a meeting with the coordinators on Monday, and I think she's a tech expert, possibly a Brightspace person. Anyway, I've been sending her all kinds of requests, and I think everybody has because we just received an email from Colleen. So anyway, hopefully I'll get a little more insight at that meeting too. But I'm also just learning as I go, and honestly, I think I just learned a lot today just trying to play around with this. So once again, if you have any questions, let me know, okay? Thanks, guys, and I'm sorry that this is coming in a little bit late. Ardell, please don't kill me, okay? See you later.